Climbing to success, understanding, making it to the top. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a very inspiring phrase, making it to the top. This expression is not just about physical height, it's a metaphor for achieving success. So, grab your notebook, and let's dive into the meaning, usage, and examples of this motivating phrase. Making it to the top refers to achieving a high level of success in a particular area, field, or activity. It implies reaching the peak of one's career, aspirations, or goals. This phrase is often used to describe significant achievements that require hard work, dedication, and perseverance. It's a metaphorical way of saying someone has reached the pinnacle of success. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from professional achievements to personal goals. For instance, you might hear it in business, sports, education, or any field where people aim to achieve great success. It's commonly used to praise, motivate, or express admiration for someone's success. In professional settings, she made it to the top of her field, becoming the CEO of a major corporation. In personal achievements, after years of training, he finally made it to the top, winning the gold medal in the Olympics. To give you a better understanding, let's look at some examples. 1. Despite the competition, Maria is determined to make it to the top of the music industry. 2. His novel was a bestseller, proving he had made it to the top as an author. 3. Making it to the top requires not just talent, but also an unyielding spirit. Achieving the top of your goals is not easy, but here are some tips that can help. Set clear goals. Know what the top means for you. Work hard and stay dedicated. Success doesn't come overnight. Learn from failures. They are just stepping stones on your path to success. Seek mentorship and advice. Learn from those who have made it to the top before you. Making it to the top is a journey of determination, hard work, and resilience. We hope this video has inspired you to set your sights high and strive for your definition of success. Remember, the path may be challenging, but reaching the peak is worth every step. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to keep practicing your English every day. Until next time, keep climbing towards your goals.